This tutorial review will show you how to deactivate a TikTok account. So the process will be very easy. Open your TikTok app and open your profile. Tap on this hamburger menu at the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account. Tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap on Deactivate Account. Tap on Deactivate. And now you have to verify your phone number. So you'll get a verification code to your phone number. All you have to need, just enter the code here. Tap on Deactivate Account. Deactivate. And as you can see, my account has been deactivated now and I've logged out from my account. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.